This is Spanish 2, sentences 261 to 264. 261. Ask your friend. According to your friends, what are you like? Según tus amigos, ¿cómo eres tú? Según tus amigos, ¿cómo eres tú? 262. According to my friends, I am funny. Según mis amigos, yo soy gracioso. Según mis amigos, yo soy gracioso. 263. Before leaving, he ate quickly. Antes de salir, él comió rápidamente. Antes de salir, él comió rápidamente. And 264. After arriving, she spoke with Carlos. Después de llegar, ella habló con Carlos. Después de llegar, ella habló con Carlos. Notice, this is a neat statement here. According to your friends, what do you like? Because it has the three most common accent rules. Accent rule number 1. An accent mark means, hey, don't stress the next to last vowel, stress me. So that accent mark says, don't stress the E. Don't say según, say según. Accent mark rule number 2. An accent mark means this is a question word. Question words, who, what, when, where, why, how, always have accents. What time is it? Who is your best friend? How are you today? And accent rule number 3, an accent mark can differentiate between the meanings of two different words. To with an accent means you, friend. To without an accent means your. El with an accent means he. El without an accent is the. So that statement, according to your friends, or that question, according to your friends, what do you like, is a nice review of the three most common accent rules in Spanish. Okay? Now, according to my friends, I am funny. Notice, a lot of people confuse gracioso with gracious or grateful, because the word for thank you is gracias. Okay, but gracioso is funny. The way I remember it, hey, thanks for being so funny. Everybody, thanks for being so funny. Gracioso would be a funny boy. Graciosa would be a funny girl. Now, the last clip, we talked about antes de comer isn't before of to eat, it's before eating. Antes de beber, before drinking. Antes de cantar, before singing. And here we see another example. Antes de salir is not before of to leave. It translates before leaving. So, before leaving, he ate rapidly. But Mr. Holt, it's ing. I know, that's just a tricky one. Just remember, antes de plus the infinitive translates before something. Like antes de cantar, before singing. Alright? Now, después is after. Now, how are we going to remember that antes is before and después is after? Well, everybody say anticipate. Go. Anticipate. If you anticipate something, you think about it beforehand. Okay? And also, the letter A comes before all the other letters in the alphabet. Or if something has an antecedent, it's the thing that happened before. Después is after. Here's how I remember después. I'm going to leave después after we finish. Everybody, I'm going to leave después after we finish. So, antes before, después is after. Go. Antes before, después is after. Now, she spoke with Carlos. Now, Mr. Holt, why isn't there a personal A? Carlos is a person. Remember, you don't need a personal A with con, para, and de. Everybody, you don't need a personal A with con, para, de. After a preposition like con, which is with, para, which is for or in order to, and de, which is of or from, you don't need a personal A. All right. If you're confused by that, check the clips on personal A's. That's Spanish 2, 261 through 264.